Whatever you do, wherever you are, that's your real mind. That's your real Buddha. You don't get Buddha. You don't get Buddha nature. You don't get enlightenment. You don't get your true self. You already are Buddha. You already are complete. To search for enlightenment or nirvana outside your mind, to search for enlightenment or nirvana, to search for heaven, to search for God outside your mind is a mistake. Actually, even Jesus taught that. The kingdom of heaven is within. Jesus taught that. The kingdom of heaven is inside. Therefore, how could you find another one outside? Heaven, salvation, holiness, redemption, being saved. It doesn't happen outside your own mind. Never. Not one time. It happens right here. So I always quote the English poet John Milton. Mind is its own place, and in itself can make a hell out of heaven or a heaven out of hell. The reality of your own self-nature, the reality of your own true self, the absence of cause and effect is what's meant by mind. You'll never see a Buddha. The Buddha is a product of mind. Why look for a Buddha beyond this mind? Mind is Buddha and Buddha is mind. Beyond mind, there's no Buddha, and beyond Buddha, there's no mind. If you think there's a Buddha outside your mind, where is he? Where is he? You are like a poor man with $1 billion in the bank. You just didn't know how to use it yet. That's a very interesting point. We think we are poor. Someone must save me. Someone must save me. But Buddhas don't save Buddhas. Don't use a god to worship a god. The truth is, there's nothing to find. Actually, the truth is, there's nothing to find. Right where you are, that is your temple. Right where you are, that is your temple. Then, this thinking becomes weaker. And their experience of their nature becomes stronger. Then, don't need to ask. Already they can taste their true nature. Already they can hear their true nature. They just become one with their nature. If you don't practice, if you don't actually practice, if you just hear that, conceptually believe that, it can't help you. That you don't have to look outside yourself. You don't have to look far. You don't have to look intellectually. You don't have to look over many years. Many people think that the practice of attaining your nature is many years. Many culture. Many retreats. Many vows. Many meditations. It's not that. Bodhidharma's pointing is very clear. It happens right now. It doesn't happen far away. It doesn't happen somewhere else. So Bodhidharma's teaching points to things like that.